who has visited your Telegram profile. Can you know who visited your profile on Telegram? But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Telegram app and make sure that you are logged in. Now just tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From here you will see an option to head over to your settings right here, so just tap on settings. Once your settings is open, you have different settings like chat settings, privacy and security. So let's see if it is available on chat settings. Here you have an option to adjust the size of your messages, and you can play around with message corners. So if you go all the way to the end, it will make it round, and if you go all the way to the back side of this slider, it will be a corner. So here is no active option to see who has visited your profile. Let's say if it is on the other side of the settings. So here on the privacy and security, you have two-step verification, auto delete message, passcode lock, blocked users and devices where you're logged in. Here on the privacy section, you have an option to change the settings for all of these. So if you don't want anyone to see all of your details, make sure that all of this is set to nobody. And this will ensure that your profile stays private. But here is also no active way to see who has visited your profile, so unfortunately Telegram does not have this feature as of now. But if Telegram brings out a new feature, we'll be the first one to let you know. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for latest updates. I'll catch you on the next one.